Welcome to Session 5, Integers, Opposites, and Absolute Value. Signed values describe direction from a reference point. You will define 0 in context, locate positive and negative integers, compare positions, identify opposites, and interpret absolute value as distance rather than as a rule that simply removes a sign. On a number line, values increase from left to right. -7 is left of -2, so -7 is less. -2 is closer to 0 and therefore greater. The size of the unsigned digits does not decide order among negatives. Position does. A sign is meaningful only after 0 is defined. If sea level is 0, 18 feet below, sea level is -18 feet. A deposit of $75 is a positive change. A temperature 6 degrees below 0 is -6 degrees. Always connect the sign to the reference and direction in the situation. Opposites lie the same distance from 0 on different sides. -12 and +12 are opposites. Their sum is 0, so each is the additive inverse of the other. An opposite changes direction. It is not the same operation as taking a reciprocal. Absolute value is distance from 0. -13 is 13 units away from 0, so its absolute value is 13. The answer is not negative because distance has no left or right direction. Absolute value and opposite are different ideas. The opposite of -13 is +13, while the absolute value records a distance of 13. Compare -9 and -4. -9 is farther left on the number line. -4 is closer to 0, so -4 is greater. Equivalently, -9 is less than -4. The magnitude 9 is larger, but the signed value -9 is smaller. Checkpoint. Which is greater, -2 or -7? -2 is greater because it lies farther right and closer to 0. The true statement is -2 is greater than -7. This number line check is more reliable than comparing the unsigned digits alone. Define the 0 reference, translate direction words into signs, compare by number line position, and use absolute value when the question asks for distance or magnitude. Opposites have equal distance and different direction. Continue learning and practicing at bridge2exam.com.